We're not going to talk about soap today. We're going to talk about Pure Wash.
Pure Wash Garage.
Pure Wash Garage, where things get cleaned. Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
We bring you detailed information.
And other automotive goodness.
And
I'm Ryan.
Oh yeah, I'm Brandon.
Yeah.
I always forget to introduce myself.
You know, because there's a lot of new viewers and they don't know who the heck we are. So,
right.
You know.
Hey, now that you know our names, we're going to ask you to do us a favor real quick. If you would consider after watching the video, liking, subscribing, ringing the notification bell, share it if you like it with some people you know or friends or other detailers or whatever. And also, if you'd like to check out the merch, we have more than just these 2 shirts.
Yeah.
Description is in the link below. To check out that merch. Helps us out, guys, if you like.
It does. Thank you.
And to all of our subscribers that are back with us again, thank you. We appreciate your support.
We appreciate you guys a lot.
You guys are great. And today, I kind of said that funny. Today, I was like trying to make an announcement, but whatever. I'm not going to do that now. Turtle Wax is here.
Yes.
We got some Turtle Wax Pure Wash in the Hybrid Solutions Pro line.
Yeah,
so again, we've got a nice, anytime it says Hybrid Solutions, we get a nice long title of a product. But Turtle Wax graciously sent this to us. A little while back, they sent us that whole kit. We have a lot of products. We've talked about a few of them. Let's get into it.
Let's cover all the goodness on this label. It's actually got me kind of excited.
You know what's really cool? This is 64 ounces of soap.
It's a good
That's cool that
amount.
They sell the soap in such a large quantity, because this is your main consumable item when you're washing your car. You know what I mean? So this is awesome. So again, we got lots. We got Hybrid Solutions Pro line. That's a great products in that lineup so far. We've liked everything in that Pro line. This has slick inside polymers, which is probably their branding on the polymers that are inside this wash. Ultimate cleaning what?
Experience.
I'm ready.
So
I'm ready. No.
That's I'm like, okay, it's going to be an experience, Brandon.
So there's a good little synopsis here. It says our slickest, swirl-resistant, pH neutral wash. Hey, that's very important. pH neutral.
Ooh.
With an amazing scent. Ooh. Delivers thick clinging foam that's easy to rinse and thoroughly cleans without stripping your protection.
I mean, all that sounds so damn good to me. I can't wait.
Yeah. So, and they even show on the front here, they tell you the 3 different methods they recommend for
what is it for
application? You got your foam cannon sprayer, right?
Yes.
Hand wash, bucket wash, and you can also use this a synthetic clay mitt. This will use as your lubricant for your synthetic clay mitt.
That's so cool, because generally I use a good detail spray that has lubricant in it.
And this is for another video, but I'm going to touch on it real quick. I've seen a lot of people that do the clay process while the car's got soap sitting on it, and I'm like, whoa, save a whole step almost.
Yeah,
I mean, you're still doing it, but then you go back and rinse it. I don't know.
It really makes sense, though.
Yeah.
You've got that lubrication there.
Keep it well lubed. The tricky part is leaving it on the car. Don't be in the sun.
Yeah, well, I generally don't wash in the sun.
Inside. Yeah, exactly. You try to wash and do your detailing in a shady spot if you can.
Yeah.
Okay, to the back. So I'm going to kind of touch on this. That synopsis covered a lot of what was really important. Talking about not stripping protection. pH neutral. It's not going to break down your waxes, sealants, professional coatings. That's important.
Let's get out there and check it out.
Yep, we'll put it in the can and we'll put it in the bucket and see how it foams.
Awesome.
All right, let's go. 1, 2. We've got a nice.
How's it feel?
Nice foams. Nice foams.
Nice and slick.
Nice. Ooh, lubricity's good.
Lubricity.
There it is. It's very good.
There's your word for the day.
I don't know if you can see that. Does that make sense? No squeaking.
Oh yeah, you can feel it. That lubricity, the slickness.
Very slick.
Yes, you can feel it right away, and I didn't even. Hold on. Perfect. And we're gonna see
a little more water, build it up,
and we're gonna give it a little bit of time, and we'll check back on that to see how the suds hold up over time. There you go. There it is.
All right, we'll rinse that off. Check on our suds here in a minute. So a couple minutes elapsed, right?
Yes.
We still have nice suds. We didn't fill this bucket all the way up with water.
No,
I mean, honestly,
it was
it's
less than
maybe
half,
a third.
actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So look at that. That's looking good.
So that Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pure Wash
So I'm gonna
Holds-
agitate. It's
holds
holding.
its sun. Oh,
We're just gonna fill it up a lot.
and that was
Look at
what, 2 ounces?
Yeah. We
Holy moly.
That's right. We only
That's
put 2
some
ounces.
good foaming sudsing action there.
All right.
I'm impressed.
We're bringing it up. Ready?
Yes.
Boom.
Ooh, yeah.
And we already talked about the lubricity on our hands. Feel it on there, man.
All right, ready? Oh my gosh, it's so
Glides.
slick. Oh, that's effortless.
Now, it said to not do it in the sun, guys. Remember? But
Hey, but for you, we're doing this in extreme situations.
we already did
here.
a couple things we weren't supposed to do. Put the bucket on the
I mean-
top. This is what we do.
We don't wash in the sun if we don't have to.
Yeah. Again, demonstration purposes. It's not affecting the ability to clean or suds or anything, no.
Yeah, look, it's really holding this well. Look at that. Look at that peak right here.
Beautiful.
You just rinsed it.
I rinsed all that, man.
Yeah, so let's
wrap this up. What do you think?
so the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions
Pure Wash.
Pure Wash Slick and Slide
Pro.
Pure
Hybrid
Wash
Solutions Pro.
Pro.
Get it
Sorry.
all in there.
Okay, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pro Slick and Slide
Polymers.
Pure Wash. Oh, polymer was in there.
Yeah. That's it.
A lot of good words, and actually, I mean, we're making light of it, but it's
Excellent.
great.
Hey, Turtle Wax.
Yeah, I mean,
Thanks for sending that us our way. That's not what I meant. Turtle Wax, thank you for sending that product our way because
yeah,
excellent product, does what it's supposed to do, just a nice pure wash,
hold
clean, gonna take care of take care of any of the coatings or sealants or waxes you have. It's not gonna strip those off, pH balanced, and it's beautiful.
and remember,
Holds the
you can
suds.
use it as a clay mitt lubricant.
Yeah.
Holy moly, that's
I'd
great.
say yes, definitely. After feeling that slickness, you're
I
fine.
can honestly say this is one of my favorite washes, and definitely my favorite Turtle Wax wash that I've used in the last
Very
few
light
years.
on the scent. We wanted to say that. I think I
Yeah.
mentioned that already, but it's clean and fresh. Worked great in the Canon too.
It did.
Wait, you know what? I even still have it. You want to see? Look at that.
Hey,
I had to do it
so-
one more time.
Exactly. So, hey, thank you for watching our video. Oh yeah, slick.
I knew you wanted to play.
We appreciate you guys,
Appreciate you guys,
and
yeah.
we'll see you in the next
So
video.
the next one, pick some
Until
of
then.
this up, guys. You'll love it. And you can get the 64 ounces.
Wow,
Thanks again, Turtle
This is
Wax.
a lot of good, clean fun right here.
Appreciate you guys. You rock.
Check this out. Brandon's back again.
M&M kids, it's pure. Airplane.